Class 5, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well now. Today, in the previous day, I described half of the story, the paper makers. Today, I describe the remaining parts of the story. Okay? In the previous day, I described the two insects, in which way they are like, in which way they are unlike, and where we see the nest of the wasps, bee and wasps, and how did they make paper, and how did they make their nest with paper, and what is comparison between a bee's honeycomb and a wasp cell. And then initial the queen wasps lays eggs, and in 3 steps they passed away from white egg to young wasps. Then at that time the mother wasps are very busy to make nest larger, and she had to build more cells. Why? Because to lay more eggs. Besides, she had to find food for her hungry young grubs. I described these parts. in the previous day. Today, I describe the remaining part, the next part. That is, now it is a good thing for her that her children are soon able to help with his housework. At first, the young wasps help to look after the grubs which are still in their cells. Later, they fly off in search of food or to fetch tiny wood shavings with which to make their home bigger. Then, after a little child was born, our mother was very busy to look after him or her. Similarly, after the young wasps was born, the young wasps, when they are grew up, when they become young, they was ready to help to look after the grubs which are still in their cells. Later, they fly off in search of food or to fetch tiny wood shavings with which to make their home bigger. Okay? And then they were the mother wasps, the young wasps were ready to help to look after the grubs which are still in their cells. The young grubs which are in their cells, the young wasps was very helpful to them. After that, they fly off in search of food or to fetch tiny wood shavings with which to make their home bigger. Okay? Then next we come, what do wasps eat? What is their food? Like bees, they seek the sweet nectar of flowers, although they do not use it to make honey. Okay? As the bees move away from flower to flower to sip the sweet nectar of the flower, similarly the wasps also sip the sweet nectar of flowers, although they do not use it to make honey. Here is a difference between them. Bees used to sip sweet nectar to make honey, but wasps do not use it. The juices of ripe fruit and stolen jam and honey are also very welcome food. What did they eat? They eat sweet nectar of flowers or juices of ripe fruit and stolen jam and honey. These are their favorite food of the wasps. Okay? Wasps often do harm to the fruit in an orchard. That is why a gardener burns down a wasp's nest whenever he finds one. Perhaps the gardener forgets that the wasps eat many small insects which also do harm to the fruit. So, wasps often do harm to the food in an orchard. They sometimes do harm, destroy the fruits. This is the harm that is a gardener. That's why the gardener burns down a wasp. Sometimes we find the worm's nest in the bark of the body of the tree, and the gardener burns down these things, wasp's nest, whenever he finds one. Perhaps the gardener forgets that the wasps eat many small insects which are also do harm to the food. But they also help the gardener. How? To eat many small insects. So these insects do not create any harm to the fruit. Okay? When summer is over and the cold winds of winter are felt, the wasps find themselves short of food, for they have no store of honey. Before long they begin to die of cold and hunger. That is, while summer is over and winter come, cold winds of winter was started blowing. The wasps find themselves short of food. At that time, they have no food storage in their nest. They have no store of honey. Before long, they begin to die. So, in severe cold, they begin to die of cold and hunger. Okay? A few daughter wasps who have been better fed than the others in the nest live through the winter in some sheltered corner. When spring comes to call the earth to life again, each of these becomes a queen wasp and begins to build a nest for herself. That is, a few daughter wasps, that is mother wasps, who have been better fed than the others in the nest live through the winter in some sheltered corner. At that time, a few daughter wasps, that is lady wasps, they have been better fed, who have been better fed at that time, they live through the winter in some sheltered corner of the nest. When spring comes to call the earth to life again, each of these becomes a queen wasp and began to build a nest for herself. When who had eaten some better food, who are they? They are daughter wasps who have been better fed than the others in the nest. They live through the winter in some sheltered corner. They live into the sheltered corner of the wasps. When spring comes to call the earth to life again, each of these becomes a queen wasp. And when spring comes, they to earth, spring comes means life began to everybody. So each of these becomes a queen wasp. The daughter wasp become a queen wasp, and every queen wasp begins to build a nest for herself. This is their work. So I repeat it again, the remaining part, that is I tell you shortly, that the children are soon young grafts find food for hungry. They were going outside to collect food for hungry young grafts, and then the children are soon able to help. At that time, the children were very helpful to come forward to help with their housework. And young wasps help to look after the grafts which are still in their cells. Later, they fly off in search of food or to fetch tiny wood shavings with which to make their home bigger. What do wasps eat? Like bees, they sip the sweet nectar of flowers, although they do not use it to make honey. So, what is their favorite food? Nectar of like bees, they eat nectar of the flowers and juices of the ripe fruit and stolen jam and honey. These are their favorite food. Wasps often do harm to the food in an orchard. So, why did the gardener burn the nest of the wasps sometimes? Because they knew it well that sometimes wasps do harm to the fruit orchard. Perhaps the gardener forgets that the wasps eat many small insects which also do harm to the food. But the gardener should remember it that the wasps also eat some small insects which also do harm for the orchard for the fruits. Okay, when summer is over and the cold winds of winter are blowing, the wasps find themselves short of food, and because they have maximum wasps have no store of honey, so scarcity of food, they begin to die of cold and hunger. At that time, a few daughter wasps who have been better fed than the others in the nest live through the winter in some sheltered corner. And when spring comes to call the earth to life again, when spring comes and life appears in everywhere, each of these becomes a queen wasp and they begin to build a nest for themselves. Okay, this is the story, the paper makers. Now I discuss the meaning of the story. Now I tell you the meanings. Next day I will write it. Wasp means a winged insect. Okay, country, small settlements outside which when areas, rural areas, when areas, urban areas, small settlements outside urban areas or rural areas. Outside the rural areas, they are called country. Scrap means scratch. Honeycomb means a structure made by bees to store honey and eggs. Where they store honey and eggs, that is called honeycomb. Hatch means to produce young from eggs. Wasp grubs means larva of a wasp. Nectar means a sugary fluid stretched within flowers. Okay, this is your meanings and this is your story, the paper makers. Okay, it is the story of nature story from Britain and it is not Indian story, and everything I tell you line by line. You also read line by line. Next day I give you question answers and word meanings also write in your class. And today I complete this chapter and I say something about your exam. 1, 2, 3, 4, you must thorough it, you must read it thoroughly for your examination. And then now I complete the story, the paper makers. Okay, and now I give you class 5, I give you the names of the students who are allowed for first terminal examination 2020-2021. Okay, I give you these seats, name students of the named seats. Okay, now you see it.